To fix the issue of Cash App not being available in your region, follow these steps. First, understand that Cash App is only available in the United States and the United Kingdom. So if you are not in one of these countries, you will not be able to use it. If you are in the US or UK but still getting this error, the issue may be with your device or account settings. Check that your phone or computer is set to the correct region, as this can affect the apps that are available to you. Next, try restarting your device, as this can sometimes resolve connectivity issues. If you are using a VPN, try turning it off, as this can also affect your ability to access certain apps. Another possible solution is to clear the cache and data of the Cash App on your device. This can help resolve any technical issues that may be preventing the app from working. If none of these steps work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Cash App. This will reset the app to its default settings and may resolve any issues that were preventing it from working. It is also important to note that if you are trying to use Cash App from a country where it is not available, you will not be able to use it, even with a VPN. Cash App has strict geolocation restrictions in place to prevent use from outside the US and UK. If you are still having trouble, you can contact Cash App support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide more information on why the app is not available in your region. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of Cash App not being available in your region, or determine why it is not available and find alternative solutions.